Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss how to use the word prefer to express preference. We use prefer to say we like one thing or activity more than another. We can use a prepositional phrase with to when we compare two things or actions. Example, I prefer coffee to tea. They prefer biscuits to cakes. We don't use than after prefer. Rani prefers books to movies. Rani prefers books than movies. This is a wrong statement. We should not use than after prefer. We use a to infinitive or an ing form after prefer. Example, she prefers to drink tea. She prefers drinking tea to coffee. We use a to infinitive after prefer, not an infinitive without to. Example, I prefer to drive. This usage is correct. But we should not say I prefer drive. After prefer, we have to use a to infinitive. So far in this class, we have discussed the usage of prefer. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.